Hello everybody, Mr. Toomey here with a quick video for setting up a template for your English papers. Now, a template is meant to kind of streamline getting your paper up and running. Because we use MLA formatting for all of our English papers, it's helpful to have a blank template to start with. If you are taking other classes that use other formatting guidelines, maybe somebody uses APA instead of MLA, you might find it helpful to set up a template in that format as well. For our class, though, we're just going to go with MLA, and we're going to set up a very quick template to get ourselves going. What I like to do is I keep a file called templates on my Google Drive. This is a sample file. My main one is in the root directory, and it has all the different types of templates I use for everything from slide presentations to documents and even some spreadsheet templates. To get started, we're just going to get to our folder here and create a new Google document. Because this template is specifically for our English class, we're going to call it English Paper Template. And if you're using MLA in all your classes, you might just call it MLA template. But for the purposes of this video, we're just going to go with this one particular class. Now, by default, Google will have some styles already assigned for you. You can mess around with these on your own. As you see, if I click on our Style tab right here, I have set up my own styles. You'll become familiar with these as you look at papers throughout the year. But in general, there's already a default setup. What we want to do is we want to reset to that default setup if we haven't already. So you click on the Styles drop-down menu here, all the way down to Options, and click Reset. Now for MLA style, you want to make sure you're using Times New Roman. You want to make sure you're in size 12. This can all be left the way it is. You want to left indent. And for line and paragraph spacing, you want to make sure you have double spacing selected. At the beginning of every MLA paper, you want in the upper left-hand corner, your name, my name, the class with its designations. If you are in my English 1A class, this is all you really need to put here. You don't have to worry about the number if there's a number attached to it. And then you want to put the due date of the paper. We're just going to put 3 September 2021 because that's our first day of school. But you can put whatever date the draft is due. When you're done, this block will pretty much be the same for every single paper that you do, which is why we're creating this template. The only thing you would change for here is obviously the due date. All right, after the due date, we have to put our title on. In MLA formatting, the title should be centered. And I'm just going to put a placeholder here. We're just going to say title. And then we can go down to our first paragraph. Paragraphs should be indented a ½ inch. So to do that, or the first line of a paragraph should be indented a ½ inch. So from here, we're going to grab our, let's see, it says first line indent, and we're going to drag it till 0.5. That's 0.5 inches. As you can see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a ½ inch wide document. And now we're ready to go. We can just start typing. Right. Now, by setting our line indent here, we can just hit enter and our next paragraph will start in the right spot. It's a nice little shortcut formatting for the whole page. Now we don't need this other text, so we're going to get rid of it for the time being. Just leave our basic template set up the way it is. The last thing you need for MLA formatting is an actual header. So to set up the header, we're going to go to the top of the page and we're going to double click in the blank space and up pops the dialog for the header. You'll see that it resets something up here. It reset the font size and the font face. So we're going to put those back to where they're supposed to be. We're going to scroll to the right, or I'm sorry, we're going to align to the right. And this is where you would put your last name, space, And then from the options, you want to select page numbers, header, show on first page, start at page 1, and click apply. All right, that's it. You now have a formatted template for your English papers. The next thing to do, or when you're ready to write your first paper, is you go to your template folder. You see I have my English paper template right here. You would right click to make a copy. See, now it just says copy of English paper template. Double click. Now for each of your papers, you'll be given a specific title to name the page. Usually that's your last name and then the title. You would quickly update the due date, maybe update the title, and you're ready to start typing. When you're all done, you click this little folder with an arrow and you would move it to the location of your class portfolio. That way it's always where it's supposed to be for me to look at it. We'll talk more about class portfolios later, but yeah, this is your basic setup. With this, you are good to go. Now, if you have any questions or if you have any comments, ways I could make this video better, please feel free to email me so I know what to do. Otherwise, I recommend getting a template set up as soon as possible so you're ready to go for your first paper. That's it. Thank you very much.